Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hello vino lovers, my name is Suryaveer Singh. I'm the founder of the Hyderabad Wine Society and ex-sommelier of Four Seasons Resort in Bali. And this is Wine Made Easy TV. During the next couple of episodes, we're going to try and simplify wine for you to make wine the most approachable and easy to understand subject. And over the course, we'll disassemble all the misconceptions about wine and why you should just love this amazing piece of art. First question which always comes to everyone is, why should I enjoy wine? Why is there so much attention given to wine? Why not whiskey, vodka, tequila? One thing which people must understand is, don't see wine as just an alcohol or a spirit. Wine is versatile art. It's ever changing in the bottle, and there is so many layers to wine as there is. It changes, and as per the geography, it changes by the temperature you store it. It changes by the producer, it changes with the food, it changes with the storage conditions and grapes. There's so many layers to wine, but it's very easy to understand. The biggest misconception about wine is that it's complex. It's difficult to understand. It needs a lot of theory before you can really get into it. That is very far from the truth. Thing is that wine is actually very easy to understand. It's been made to look complicated, but over the next couple of episodes we will try and simplify it as much as possible. I myself, when I was teaching some students in Bali about wine, people who just barely could speak English, we had to come up with a new process of how to teach wine in a very simplified manner. And one of the main things which we understood is that we don't need to complicate it by teaching you about the terroir or the different ways of how it was grown or harvested. That's not important for you as the customer. You have to understand that wine is awesome on its own, and there are so many grapes over there involved which can just widen your horizon. It looks complex, but it really isn't. So stay tuned. Over the next couple of episodes, we're going to simplify wine. We're going to come across multiple varieties and also understand the history of wine and why it's so awesome. So stay tuned. Cheers.